Okay, so this is my original essay, and then this is my new essay. So the first thing I kind of changed was this right here. This sentence, L'Oreal is portraying the image of being unique, bold, and organized through the use of an optimistic and empowering tone. I changed that from the middle of my essay. So that was right here in the middle of my essay, and I moved it up because it could be as part of my thesis. And also, one of the things I needed to change was I just had tone and appeal to popularity, but I added that it was optimistic and empowering tone. I also added to my thesis about what L'Oreal is arguing because I need to say why it should be purchased. And in my original essay, I just said that they're trying to say that their product is superior, but in my corrections, I added that it's superior because it allows consumers to express themselves and have bold-looking brows, which is what they are trying to advertise. And then I also changed my target audience from 18 to 40 who read People magazines to 18 to 30 who read People magazines and enjoy wearing makeup, because it's not just females, it's females that prefer to wear makeup. And I said 18 to 30 because that's probably going to be the range that they're targeting to, not only just because it's People magazine, but because of the model in the magazine. And I feel like the younger generation is more focused on using these brand name products, while people maybe above 30 or 40 might just be using whatever they find. But this, like 18 to 30, they're trying to find this name brand product to use. Okay, and then I also changed my conclusion because, I took out a lot right here about Barbara Palvin because that was just a lot of extra stuff that I did not need to have. I did not need to really say like who she was and all that. I just kept the fact that she is a model, Victoria's Secret model, and that was pretty much all I needed. Yeah, I changed my conclusion, and I said that the use of the well-known and pretty model creates the appeal that if consumers use this product, they will essentially look like a model, which is kind of what they're trying to portray in their ad, that they're using this photoshopped finished model because they're trying to show consumers that if you use this product, you will look like this. And then I also added to my conclusion about why their argument is efficient. And I added that is because their product allows consumers to express themselves and be bold, kind of restating what I said up here. So overall, I just think I took away the fluff of the essay and added more detail to my thesis. And yeah, thank you for listening.